In this lecture, we are going to see how video integration acts as an SEO factor in Google search results. Recently, Google modified or optimized their search algorithm, and they are no more displaying video snippets in their normal search results for infamous content websites or small video platforms. To put it more clearly, Google displays only the search results of large video platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion, and they are no more displaying the video snippets from small content websites. Here, I have searched for Auto Expo videos in google.com in videos search, and you can see that in the top 10 search results, only one of the search result is from ndtv.com, which is also a video platform but considerably smaller than YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. But still, it's larger than most other smaller content websites. You can see the link here. NDTV is one of the most popular video platforms in India. So, getting a place in Google video searches with your new or moderate traffic content website for a video exclusively is impossible nowadays. Even if you upload your video to some other video platforms such as Vimeo or Dailymotion, the probability of getting ranked or getting higher search engine ranking in Google video search is very low. This is because you can see that out of the top 10 search results, 9 of the search results are from youtube.com alone. So if you upload your video to Vimeo or Dailymotion or Metacaf, some other smaller video platforms compared to YouTube, and even if you upload your video to your website, then the probability of appearing in video searches is very, very low. Also, your site won't appear on these search engine result pages exclusively for video anymore. That's why we can see a fall from 2014 to 2015 in video integration in this search metrics research. Let's take this fourth spot. In 2014, around 6.5% of the search results have got video integration, but in 2015 it has got reduced to 4.8%. So you should not infer it like video integration has got no SEO value. Actually, it's the reverse. How do I infer that? Because if you add videos to your site like this is a sample post from our Udemy SEO website, and here is a random video I have added. If you add a video like this, then you are indirectly increasing the user's time spent on your site, which also reduces the bounce rate, and people tend to share the content which have got funny videos or viral videos. Thus, it increases the overall user experience. So, I recommend you to add one or two relevant video to your content in your post. In the next lecture, let's see how you can add related videos from YouTube to your content.